We met a few times, and the last time I met you, we was at a book fair, and you said something very captivating. I'm like, yeah, I have to interview you because you have a different point of view that I may not think of. I want to get your perspective first, more about who you are, your background, and then we'll move on from there.
My name is Ina Simakovsky. I have been living in Columbus on and off since 1977. And again, I grew up speaking Russian, learned English, helped my family navigate, and then always kind of knew I wanted to be working with Russian speakers. And then eventually that evolved into working with immigrant populations and helping people navigate their immigration journey. Went to law school here at Ohio State and then relocated to the West Coast and have been doing immigration law since 1998. I came back to Columbus in 2004 to start an immigration program at CRIS, at Community Refugee and Immigration Services. And then in 2007, I went out on my own and have been practicing immigration law since then. I am also a mother, a wife, a daughter. I have 3 children who have left the house and are now amazing adults. And I am now kind of at that age where I feel like I have been through, we came under Carter, and now we are under this particular administration. So I feel like I have a very good history of our immigration system from my own experiences, and now sort of watching the pendulum go from one extreme to the other. So my role now is to educate and to contribute and to make sure that people understand how important it is to do their immigration processes with an attorney, and to really understand all of the nuances of the different immigrant communities, because Columbus, Ohio has a lot of pockets of immigrants from all over the world. And it's fascinating to be able to get into those communities and to really understand them and celebrate them and eat their food and feel very included in the lives of people that you are then able to help. It is really an honor and a privilege to be able to work with these communities and to help them with their immigration process.
Okay.